Hey everybody, it's Todd. Griddle More Tour 2023 in conjunction with Walmart, Fremont, Ohio, just off Lake Erie. We're setting it up.
Let's give it a try.
We have a lot of people to feed today, so we're heading into Walmart to buy some food. Bacon fried corn starts out with bacon. If you can find them, the 5-pound bags of bird's eye is the way to go. Otherwise, you'd have to get lots and lots of little bags. Sometimes you have to improvise. So cheeses, lots of times we go with queso fresco. It's a great Mexican crumbling cheese. But occasionally you are blessed and it works out. They have the pre-grated queso cotija. Crema, my favorite, is a bottle that you can squirt, but today it's in a tub, so we'll check it out. We'll see the consistency. If it's too thick, we'll add a little bit of water to it. Always have to have a wedge of lime when you're making bacon fried corn. Tequila lime, the perfect ingredient for Blackstone bacon fried corn, cumin, red chili, and a delicious hint of lime. Cilantro, perfect in all of my Mexican and Tex-Mex dishes, including bacon fried corn. Griddle More Tour 2023, better get primed. Woo, we're busy prepping food here in the trailer. You can see, this is how it works. Everything gets prepped out, portioned out into Ziploc bags, and put into coolers. I'm par cooking my bacon. So over the years, making bacon fried corn on the Griddle More Tour is so much fun. But cooking 12 pounds of bacon while we have a live audience there can be time consuming, 20, 30 minutes. So now I par cook it and then we dump it out. It makes the whole recipe go quicker. So this bacon's about 80% done. I'm gonna pull it, grease and all. We have all the meat prepped out. So now it's just little things like crema, basil, parsley, portioning out cheese. We're so used to using the wet crema that we pour on our food, but today they had this traditional kind that its consistency is a little more like sour cream. So we're gonna mix up a whole tub of this with a little bit of water, and we're gonna try to get it to where we can squeeze it on our food. I like being able to come up with solutions on the fly because every store is gonna be different and they're never gonna have the same product in 2 different stores. There's always going to be a different brand of something. So we're putting it back into the container, and this is the hard work, the hard behind the scenes things that you're not going to see in the Instagram photos. Cool thing too about Griddle Nation, a lot of times I start doing the same thing over and over and over, and then a new guy walks in. A lady walks in and says, "Why aren't you doing it this way?" Crazy ideas from Griddle Nation. Chopping up cilantro since we use it in 2 of the 4 recipes. Cool thing about cilantro is you don't need to be picky. If you have a little piece of stem in there, it's perfectly fine, tastes the same. Cilantro, we're building our bacon fried corn cooler. I've got bags with my cilantro ready to go. I've got everything portioned out, so when it's crunch time, I can really focus on entertaining the crowd, telling jokes, asking people questions, doing giveaways, you name it, and then the food's just second nature. You're just cooking it, you're just opening it and dumping it. Opening it and dumping it. It's so easy. Hiya! Now you see it, and then we'll go kick it up a little bit. All right, bacon fried corn. Starting out with a generous cup of bacon fried corn, some flaming hot or cheddar jalapeno Cheetos, and a little bit of Cholula chili garlic, like that. There we go.
Let it go.
Come on! Four. Everybody have fun at the Griddle More Tour. That's a wrap for Griddle More Tour in Fremont, Ohio. We had people from 5 states today. Insane. People drove 7, 8, 9 hours. We had a blast. We had food, gave away a ton of hats, gave away Blackstone Griddles and accessories. Always a pleasure to be in the Buckeye State, baby.